Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba kejelna Conrad Sangma ulakam bagi yeng besar ke bahakli do jong keri ke Supreme Court kala Pynsangeh ya ke hukum kabala penmi da ke Meghalaya High Court ha ke bayade bat ke jing hukum ban nempat se iki mauput na ke benta ke Jingpynbeit put ha pedeng ke Meghalaya bat ke Assam ha ke hindreu teliki jaka ki balade ban soy ke soskular ya ngotho jingmut lani ke Memorandum of Understanding ha pedeng kini ki arteliki jelna Conrad uliatho yakani habaya keren bar nongsan Hima ubala bu jingkli kumno ka sarkar Meghalaya kan le namar baka Jingpynbeit put ha ki hinreu teliki jaka balada bansoy ya ka soskular kila ban sateng hadin baka Meghalaya High Court kalada penmi ya ka hukum aga pratrik banai no pra arajar arpuar ba ampat dei ban se iki mauput ha ki jaka khaput haba jubab ya ke jingkli Conrad ulaong baka kabalale da ke Meghalaya High Court na kaliang jong ke sarkar kala dep ban mudi da ke special leave petition ha Supreme Court ha kabala pediang ya ke mukot duma badla debru bantian bisar Conrad sangma ulakam baka Supreme Court kala shim ya ke mukot duma ban pensnguru lingba solicitor general harengkat advocate general ubadai unongya side an ke jelna bat ke Supreme Court kala Pynsangeh no ya ke hukum kabala dep ban penmi da ke Meghalaya High Court. Kumta Conrad ulakam baki kam ki badai ni ke benta ban penyat syakmat ya ke Jingpynbeit put kinam sange ban nakal yang jok ke sarkar jelna kala kerenru ya kani baru menteri korbari ke sarkar pedeng baru menteri ke sarkar bapet ya katanat ain ha ka ba makiru kila shimkia namar kata Conrad ula benrap ru ba dan satya ke jingkmi lenti bakani ka kam ha ka ba ya dei baru pur usam kansha Pynsangeh.
One, this process will not be stalled. We will continue to make sure that we take it to the logical conclusion. Right now, whatever the High Court has done, we have put a special leave petition in the Supreme Court and it has been admitted, and we expect that there will be some kind of a judgment from it. In fact, what I was told was that the Supreme Court has stayed the order of the High Court. I'll just read it out to you. That in the SLP that was filed yesterday, Supreme Court heard the case. Solicitor General along with our Advocate General and the Supreme Court stayed the order of the single bench of the High Court. So therefore that order has been stayed. And now we'll see for further orders. So therefore that aspect will never stop. Will not stop. We have also taken up the matter with Honorable Home Minister, Government of India, and with the Law Minister, and they have taken the matter up very seriously. So we don't expect that any kind of a process to be stalled in any way.